G'day guys, Matt here from Waterpro. Some of you may own a Hunter X2 controller with the Wi-Fi wand in it. Sometimes due to power surges or a connectivity issue or Bluetooth connections, that sort of thing, there's a need to do a reset on that wand controller so you can start from factory again. Today I'm going to show you how to do that. The first thing we want to do is come down to the controller. On the side of the controller there's the X2 wand. There's a button here that we press and hold for 5 seconds. Once we hold it for 5 seconds, the Wi-Fi LED will hold as a solid amber. We can then release that. And you'll notice on the screen once it's completed, it'll say hello. Now some of you may see, according to the Hunter website, that it says that it will be done. We didn't come across that, but hello also allows you to come through the cycle and go through the menus again. This is fine. This also indicates that it's had a factory reset and you can now reconnect to your phone, through to your tablets, through your computers, however you need to do it. If you have any questions, please leave a comment or reach out to us at waterpro.com.au.